fashion show. Fashion show today. Start 3 o'clock. Bring clothes to recycle.
Are you ready for the fashion show?
Yes, Mr. Star. Look, we've got our clothes. I like fashion shows. This is fun.
Hurry, Marie and Lucy. You're first.
Hello, everyone. We're wearing hats and dresses. We're wearing sandals too.
Ruff, ruff.
Atomic and Einstein are wearing a blue scarf and red hats. Their socks are red too. They look cool.
Oh no! Those jeans are too small.
And these shirts? What can we do? I've got an idea. Here are Ben and Sam. They're wearing... Oh! You're wearing pyjamas and hats. You look amazing. What a cool fashion show.
Well done, everyone.
Thanks for the clothes. Wow! Look at all these clothes.
Let's recycle those trainers, Lucy.
Can we recycle these pyjamas too?
Listen and read.
The fashion show. Fashion show today. Start 3 o'clock. Bring clothes to recycle.
Are you ready for the fashion show?
Yes, Mr. Star. Look, we've got our clothes. I like fashion shows. This is fun.
Hurry, Marie and Lucy. You're first.
Hello, everyone. We're wearing hats and dresses. We're wearing sandals too.
Ruff, ruff.
Atomic and Einstein are wearing a blue scarf and red hats. Their socks are red too. They look cool.
Oh no! Those jeans are too small.
And these shirts? What can we do? I've got an idea. Here are Ben and Sam. They're wearing... Oh! You're wearing pyjamas and hats. You look amazing. What a cool fashion show!
Well done, everyone.
Thanks for the clothes.
Wow! Look at all these clothes.
Let's recycle those trainers, Lucy.
Can we recycle these pajamas too?